Hello, everybody. It's me again, Artist King, here with you. Welcome to my video. Today, I wanted to try something slightly different. I am gonna do a pour, an abstract pour is what I call it. But instead of going, I know usually when we do these, we start in the middle and go outwards. Today, I decided I'm gonna go outwards first and then come back into the middle. So it's something different, something new. So I just invite you to just check it out. And like you know, I'm gonna come back at the end, and you can always feel free to leave comments. Like and subscribe, and share. Share with somebody. Tell someone about the channel. Okay, so enjoy the video, and I will talk with you at the end again. Okay guys, so we're almost to the end of the video. So now I'm gonna like clean it so the colors can pour into each other. It's just similar to if I had started in the middle. I just, like I said before, I just wanted to do something different. So I hope you enjoyed watching me create this piece. I hope that this will inspire somebody to try it for yourself. It's really easy, and the paints will mix with water and floor chalk. And I do believe I put a little bit of silicone oil in the paint, and I mixed it for a long time. And I have it in bottles, so whenever I need the colors, I can just pull them out. So anyway, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button, and remember I post on Tuesdays and on Saturdays, so you can see a new video, two new videos every week. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, bye now.